Hey YouTube, I'm back. I'm sorry about the wait. I've been working on school, personal projects, stuff like that, but I have a little bit of spare time right now, so I'm just gonna do a tutorial for you guys. Last one got 10,000 views. I think I'm sitting at like 10,200. I wanted to release it like right before 10,000 or right at, but I missed it and got a little busy. But I'm gonna do it now. Better late than never, right? So uh yeah, I can't really think of anything else to say, but what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to hack a Wi-Fi network, like get the password so you can use it. Uh, this method is one I really like. It works really well. A lot of people use it. We're going to be using a good suite of tools called AirCrack. Really, really good tools. I'll put some links in the description as to where you can download that or download it. It comes pre-installed on Kali. You have to install it yourself in other distributions, but it's really, really easy. I don't know about Windows, folks, so you might be out of luck. And if you don't have an external card, like a USB network card, it won't work in a VM. So I just recommend like live booting Kali or installing Kali or installing like Ubuntu or something and just installing the suite. Uh, that's all I can really think of saying. So let's go ahead and start. So we just want to go ahead and open up our terminal. On Ubuntu, it's Control Alt T is a hotkey. On Kali Linux, you can just click the little icon at the top. All right, so first thing we want to do is type in sudo airmon -ng, and then this is just going to check our driver information. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing this for you guys really quick. Okay, I goofed up. Let me go ahead and oops. Stop it, please. Stop 10. All right. So let me rerun that command. Alright, so this is just showing us the interfaces that are running and the drivers we're using. Okay, so now we want to type in sudo airmon-ng start WLAN 0 and just press enter, and it's going to start a monitor interface. See, and we're going to be using this throughout the tutorial. Okay, so now we want to type in sudo air dump -ng and then the monitor interface, which is monitor 0. Oops. It's air o dump. I always make little mistakes like that. And you can see here we're just gathering information on these networks. We're going to be using implement a Wi-Fi password. It's one that I set up with an old router. Not really a good router, that's why I don't use it anymore. But it works for this tutorial. So once we get this information, that's all we need. We just Control C. Sorry, and then we're going to type in sudo arrow dump. Oops. Arrow dump dash ng dash c. We're going to get the channel, which is 1. That's just the frequency that the router's broadcasting at. We're going to get the MAC address. Make sure I get the right one. Right here. Copy and paste that in. Okay. And then now we want to type in -w, and then we want to type in where we want to send some information to, and then we'll use this information later. So I'm just going to send it to home, Matt, desktop. I think that's all I really need. Um, oops. Oh, forgot my interface. And then so after where you want to send it, you just type in your interface, monitor 0. And then now what it's going to start doing. Okay, actually, I'm going to show you guys a quick trick. So what a lot of people get is they get this fixed channel monitor 0 -1. I don't know, honestly, I don't know what it means. I don't know what's causing it, but I found out that this command fixes it. So sudo ifconfig WLAN 0 down. I really don't honestly don't know what the command does, but it works. So, and there we go. Now it's gone. So what we're doing is we're waiting for somebody to connect to this network. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go on my phone really quick. You guys don't need to see this because I'm just connecting to the network. I'm just gonna go ahead and press connect, and there we go. We see that my phone has logged in, and we have a WPA handshake right there, which is exactly what we need. So we're gonna go ahead and press Control C. I'm not going to clear it because I need to copy and paste information. So what we're going to do now is we're going to run sudo airplay -ng -0, which means deauthentication. We're going to send 5 deauthentication packets -a. We're going to grab the router's MAC address, copy and paste that in. We're going to grab the WPA handshake after a tick C or a hyphen C, dash C, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to do monitor 0. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. And dash E, and then we're just going to put in the ESSID, which is the text for just the network name. And we're just going to press enter. And as you can see, we're sending these deauthentication packets. And what this does is it forces the client, my phone, to reconnect to the network. And I send about 4 or 5, depending on each, each network, and everything's a little different. But you want to, do a good amount just so you can make sure you get it all right. So here's our last and here's our final step. So we're going to type in sudo aircrack -ng -a2 -b, and then the router's MAC address. Just copy and paste. Hotkey to paste in is Control-Shift-V. I should have probably said that earlier, but whatever. Now remember where we sent some information to, which was my desktop. We're gonna go ahead and do /home /mat /desktop /*cap, and this is just going to use all the capture files that we used. Ooh, wait. Oh, I did that wrong. This is going to be /root /passwords.txt, and this one's going to be it's just going to be separated by a space. I goofed up. /home /mat /desktop **cap. What this is going to do is it's going to attempt to crack the encrypted WPA password, the key that we stole from this handshake that we saw, or however you want to explain it. We're just going to go ahead and press enter, and look at that. What do you know? We found the key, password 1. So let's go ahead and try to connect to this network. Hopefully it asks for the password. It may not. And you have to have, this was stored in the dictionary file. So if you can get like a big file, like one that's like, I don't know, 15 gigabytes from like CrackStation or something, and that password's in it, it may take a while, but yeah, you'll get the password eventually, hopefully. I can't really think of anything else to say. That's a pretty quick demonstration on how to crack a WPA password. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Ask me questions. If you're doing something wrong, I'll answer. I don't know if you guys saw my last tutorial. I'm pretty good about answering questions the best I can. I got a lot of good feedback on the last video. Got a lot of views. But that's really it. I'll see you guys later.